Good morning, good afternoon. I'm Bryce Gibson of LJ Hooker, and welcome to this short walkthrough of 8 Wangi Avenue in Cessnock. So I'm just obviously showing you the streetscape. So what we're about to look at is a Nissen hut. So Wangi Avenue, like Macquarie Avenue, have got quite a few of these. They are surplus from World War II, and they were built on the site approximately 1953 to 1955. So they weren't used during the Second World War, but are left over from it. Now all privately owned, have no heritage listings on them at time of recording. They are made from corrugated iron roof, weatherboard at the ends, timber windows. As you can see, a pretty basic design. So this is the front yard that I'm taking you through this one. This property doesn't have the benefit of carports, but you can see the temporary carports that the tenants have. So I'm walking up the front stairs. I'm going to come inside now. So inside the property, if you look at the floor plan, this is the lounge room. So you've got carpet tiles on the floor. Most of the wall lining should be masonite, but once again, please make your own inquiries in that regard. Timber windows, as I mentioned. So this is one of the bedrooms. Back into the lounge room, so you've got a little bit of storage there. This is your other bedroom. Get a bit of an idea now anyway. So we're going to come back down and I'm going to show you the bathroom. So this is our bathroom. So no bathtub per se, just a shower space. Concrete floor. So the rest of the floor seems to have weatherboards underneath, floorboards underneath it, but the bathroom seems to be a suspended concrete slab. So this is the big bedroom. So this is at the opposite end of the house. This is approximately 1/3 of the total building. So it's quite a large space. As you can see, the carpet tiles on the floor. Head back through now and I will show you the kitchen. So you've got electric cooking. You've got your cabinets there. Gives you a bit of an idea on what we're looking at. Going to take you out the back now, and you've got a little back area. Comes out into the laundry space. So this is the external of the house now. So coming out the back. So that's your side fence, back fence, back around to the side of the house. So that's your gate there. There's your hot water system, rudimentary carport, and a really nice backyard. Well, that's your short little property tour. If you'd like to know more information, please let me know. I'm Bryce Gibson. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.